Namaste, I'm Ruchi Joshi, I'm your yoga instructor. So today in this video, we are going to learn the yogic breathing. Yogic breathing comprises of 3 breathings, which is abdominal, thoracic and clavicular breathing. Yogic breathing is the foundation of pranayama and it will increase your lungs capacity. I highly recommend it in this time of corona as we need to make our lungs really stronger. In this video, I'm going to push for more and more intense breathing. However, if you're new to pranayama and not able to keep up, it is completely alright. So listen to your body, take a break for a few breaths whenever necessary and join again after that. Lying down in Shavasana and just watching your breaths. Trying to make your each breath complete. Complete inhale, only then exhalation should start. When exhalation is complete, only then the next inhalation should be there. Inhale, abdomen is out. Exhale, abdomen is in. Relaxing. And just watching the abdomen and your breath, the cool air going in through the nostril, abdomen is out. Exhaling, the warm air is out and abdomen is coming inside. Now we'll make it a little bit more intense. So keep your right hand on your belly button, relaxing the elbow. Elbow should not be very tight or uncomfortable. So, now exhale out everything. With inhalation, abdomen should be up. 1, 2, 3, 4. With the exhalation, abdomen down. 1, slow, 2, uniform, 3, 4. Again, inhale 1, slowly, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1. Flawless. 2. Uniform. 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Abdomen full out. 4 like a balloon. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last round. 1, inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relaxing the palms, coming back to your natural breath. Just feel the nostrils, natural breath. Relaxed and loose body. Now, we'll keep the left hand on the chest area for the thoracic breathing. So you are in Shavasana, your left hand is on the chest. And now we will allow the breath to be inhaled and just on the chest part. Do not allow your breath to go internal up to the abdomen region. So now, exhale out and slowly inhale 1, chest up, 2, little bit more, 3, 4, full expanded lungs. Exhale. 1, 2, slow. 3, maintain. 4. Again, inhale 1, chest full expanded. 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, flawless. 2, uniform. 3, 4, maximum expanded lungs. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only lungs. Inhale. 1. Fill those lungs. 2, 3. More stretch. 4. Expanded thoroughly. Exhale out slowly. Controlled. 2, 3, 4. Last round. Inhale 1, slow, 2, maintaining, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3 and 4. Relaxing the hands. Coming back to the nostrils. Natural breath going through the nostrils. The cool air is in. The warm air is out through the nostrils only. Relaxing the lungs. Relaxing the abdomen. Now the same thing we will make a little bit more intense for the clavicular breathing. So we will inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. The whole lungs should be filled up thoroughly, and then I will count one more extra, 5, so that till the collarbone the air should fill totally. So you need to put a little bit more effort to make it intense. Nothing on the abdomen. Left hand again on the chest or just above the chest near the collarbones. And then exhale out the extra air, and then very slowly inhale 1, chest up, 2, 3, 4, chest is full. Now one more, 5, up to the neck, feel it. Exhale really slow, 1, 2, 3, control, 4 and 5. Again, inhale 1, chest, 2, up, 3, control, 4, full, 5, one more extra, and very slowly exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 1, 2. Use the chest, lungs. 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2. Slow. 3. Controlled. 4 and 5. The last round. Inhale 1. Face is soft. 2. No strain at the back. 3, only lungs are engaged. 4 and 5, full. Exhale slowly. 1, control. 2, flawless. 3, 4 and 5. Relaxing the arms, relaxing the breath, the chest. Just focusing on the nostrils. Naturally, you are inhaling, you can feel the cool air is going in through the nostril. You are exhaling, the warm air is out. The face is relaxed, the back is relaxed, the whole body is relaxed in Shavasana. Now we are merging all the 3 and doing the yogic breathing. So in yogic breathing, we will inhale and abdomen will be up. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The inhalation will keep going on, and with this we will lift the chest. 5, 6 and 7 up to the neck. While exhaling, first we will go down with the chest only. So 1, 2, 3, 4 for the chest, and then loosening the abdomen muscle. 5, 6 and 7. So while exhaling, try to keep your abdomen intact for the initial counting till 3 or 4. Only when you reach 5, then allow your abdominal muscles to dissolve, to get loose, and only then you will exhale out through the abdomen. So let's get ready. Right hand on the belly button, the left hand on the chest, eyes are closed, your whole body is relaxed. You're totally with yourself at this moment for this time. And now, exhale out thoroughly and very gently. Inhale, only abdomen up. 1. Slowly. 2. Abdomen. 3. Abdomen. 4. Allow the chest. Keep inhaling. Chest. 5. Chest. 6 and 7.
The whole respiratory organs are engaged. Just observe it and now allow to exhale only chest 1, chest 2, chest 3, chest 4 and slowly dissolve the abdominal muscles 5, 6, 7. Take a pause if you like to and then once more. Inhale, abdomen 1 up. 2 slowly, 3 relaxed and 4 keep going with the chest, 5 up, 6 chest more up, 7 totally engaged chest and now going down first chest, 1 slow, 2 control, 3, 4 allow the abdomen muscles to loose, 5 slow, 6 do not hurry, 7. Again, we'll try to do a little bit more better now. So exhale out and third round. Inhale, abdomen 1, 2, 3, abdomen full, 4, keep going, chest, inhale, chest, inhale, last one, fill that chest nicely and now allow very slowly, exhale, first from the chest, 2, keep going, 3, 4 and now the abdomen, 5, control, 6 and 7. Again, 2 more rounds. Inhale 1, abdomen up, 2, 3, 4, no strain at the back, 5 is chest, 6, 7, full stretch chest. Exhale first from the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Abdomen. 5, 6, 7. Take a natural breath and last round the best you can do. So exhale out and now once more. Inhale abdomen. 1, 2, 3, 4 like a balloon, keep going, 5, keep inhaling, 6, keep inhaling, 7, full stretch, exhale, first chest, 1, 2, 3, 4, abdomen, 5, 6, 7. Both the arms relaxed, relaxing the chest, relaxing the abdomen. And now just observe the nostrils, the effortless breath is going through the nostrils, the cool air in, the warm air out. Allow your chest, lungs to relax for this moment. Allow the abdomen to relax and just feel the expanded lungs, the effect of this yogic breathing. The effect on the abdomen, you are in the correct breathing. Inhale, abdomen out. Exhale, abdomen in. Effortlessly, naturally. Now, switch your position. Give a nice stretch if you want to. So, both the legs together. Toes are down, interlocking the fingers. Give a nice stretch. Exhale and relax. Now turning to left side and then slowly, gently coming to the sitting position.